Hey, it's Jared from Impact 90, and today we're going to talk about how to add an audio file to your website. Similar to the previous video about adding a PDF through a link, adding an audio file is very similar. So say we're down in our resume and we want to add something about how in our resume, we played a song with Santana. And I'm only saying that because we're going to upload Oye Como Va by Santana. So then we're going to go here to the teardrop. And we'll just put a little of that. Then we're going to go here to the teardrop and we're going to go into our element blocks. And this is where we have, access to everything. We've already talked about text, spacers, images, videos, and buttons. And now we're going to focus on audio. And from here, it's going to ask me to upload a track. Now, it could be an external file, in which case you just use a URL. Maybe you have it from SoundCloud. But if you have, we're just going to upload something that I have on the desktop. We'll go there. We'll click on Oye Como Va by Santana. We'll upload it. And it's going to populate the artist, I believe, and potentially the title. And then let's see what it populates as it loads, processing and identifying. Oye Como Va by Santana, great. If this were a part of a podcast, and I have a couple clients who have podcasts and we upload files like this for their podcast, you would go in and fill out all of this information for the podcast. And then over here, we can play with the design. We'll move this over. I always leave the download link and see what just came up there, because why not? If you're creating content, somebody wants to download it, all the better. I also go with minimal. I don't like classic personally. I don't know what it is. I just like minimal. And then you can make it either dark or light. Oye Como Va is like a 3-minute song, but I've uploaded podcasts of over an hour and a half. So size of file really doesn't matter. And then you're going to hit apply, and then we'll hit save, and then we're going to see how this sounds. And so if I'm on the site, I'm like, wow, I played a song with Santana. How does that sound? And there you go. That's it. Very simple to add an audio file, and it can add, once again, it's another thing like the PDF that can add, a little bit more depth to your site without making it really clunky. Great for podcasts, great for interviews, great for any, if instead of having a description of a photo, maybe you want to talk about why, if you're an artist, why you shot this photo or why you, decided to paint this way. So that's the video on how to upload an audio file. Thanks.